now he's biting my hair. Michael, please get him off. Okay, please. I'm sorry that I usually I'm an asshole. I'm sorry. Get him off. Please.
Nicholas.
It hurts so much.
I'm texting. It's not bad when you're calm.
Now you're in a bad spot because now you definitely can't get him off.
Yeah, you're fucked.
Wait,
You need one of us to help you. Otherwise you're fucked.
please just get him off.
Just put your finger up.
No, he was trying to bite me.
So he's gonna bite you anyways. Oh, he's gonna bite your ear. Holy shit.
He's gonna bite the fuck out of you.
Wait, please, Corona, please fly off.
Oh, he's pissed off now.
Oh, he pooped! He pooped!
He
pooped!
He actually did.
Throw it on the floor.
It's on the floor.
Okay, please get him off. Michael, please, I know this is hilarious, but I'm fucking scared. I'm fucking scared. Can you please get him
Why
off?
are you scared of a little fucking parrot?
Because it
Why are you
bites
scared,
like a
bro?
bitch.
It's so beautiful.
Okay, Nick.
Corona.
Oh, so beautiful.
Come on.
Beautiful.
Oh!
Get him off. Please.
Nope.
You can get him off.
Someone get him off.
Corona.
I don't know how.
Corona.
That's
Alright, just leave him.
douche.
Please.